In this video, we'll learn to plot quadratic graphs or functions. So just like we did with the linear graphs and functions, we picked some values for x, and this is what we're going to do now. So when x is -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, we'll work out the value for y. So when x is -2, we go -2 squared, which is 4, add 2 lots of -2 is -4, take away 3. So 4 take away 4 is 0, take away 3, that gives us -3. When x is -1, we'll go -1 squared, which is 1, add 2 times -1 is -2, take away 3. So 1 take away 2 gives us -1, take away 3 gives us -4. When x is 0, we get 0, add 0, take away 3, which is -3. And when x is 1, we get 1, add 2, which is 3, take away 3, gives us 0. When x is 2, we'll go 4, add 4, which is 8, take away 3, which is 5. Let's plot these points now. So -2, -3, -1, -4, 0, -3, 1, 0, 2, 5. So we can see there is a turning point here. So it goes like this. You don't use a ruler, you just sketch it. So we can work it out now for when x is -3. But we could also pretty much guess it because they go parallel. So we've got, for when x is 1, we've got 0. So that means when x is -3, y is going to be 0 as well, because this is the turning point, as you can see. But let's just work it out. So -3 times -3 is 9. Add -3 times 2, that is -6, and then take away 3. So 9 take away 6 gives us 3, take away 3 gives us 0. So we've got it there. And for when x is equal to -4, that should be 5. So roughly. So as the sign of x squared was positive, this is going upwards. Let's have a look at another one with a negative sign. So for when x is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, what is the value of y? So when x is equal to -2, we'd have x squared being equal to 4. So 4 times -2 gives us -8. -2 times 3 gives us -6. Take away 4. So these are all negatives. So we can go 8 and 6 is 14, and the 4 is 18, so negative 18, because they're all negative numbers. For when x is equal to negative 1, so negative 1 squared is going to give us 1, times negative 2 gives us negative 2. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Take away 4. So negative 2, take away 3 is negative 5. Take away 4 is negative 9. When x is 0, we get 0. Add 0, take away 4, so it's negative 4. When x is 1, so 1 times negative 2 gives us negative 2. Negative 2 add 3 gives us 1. Take away 4 gives us negative 3. When x is 2, we get 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Negative 8 add 6 gives us negative 2. Take away 4 gives us negative 6. Let's now plot these points. So we've got negative to negative 18, which we can't show on this graph. We've got negative 1, negative 9. So negative 1, negative 9 is here. 0, negative 4. 1, negative 3. 2, negative 6. So we can see it going like so. Let's label them. So y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 3x, take away 4 minus 4. And this one was y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. Sometimes you might need to work out the value for y when x is different from these values, and that's absolutely fine. Maybe into the negative side or the positive side, but this is like a starting point. And you'd be the same procedure if you had f of x, so a quadratic function.